Today we will be celebrating, remembering, acknowledging, and admiring the achievement of our institution. So sit back and relax because this is going to be the most amazing experience of your life. Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Chandan Kumar Nayak and Mrs. Prajwala Jyoti, our beloved Chairman R.S. Umachegi sir, respected Principal Madam, respected teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students. I take pride in standing before you and speak. Now, I request Chief Guest Mr. Chandan Kumar and Mrs. Prajwala Jyoti, our beloved Chairman Mr. R.S. Umachegi sir and respected Principal Madam to come to the stage for the lamp lighting and worship ceremony. As the light destroys darkness, in the same way, knowledge destroys ignorance. We all bow to Ma Saraswati. May she have her blessing upon us. Now I request the Honorable Chief Guest and Chairman Sir to take the seats.
शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Umachegi sir. I'd like to give a small introduction about our guest. First, I would like to talk about Mr. Chandan Kumar Nayak. Chandan is highly experienced professional in the education industry with a BTech in electronics and communication. Since 2013, he has been dedicated to serving the field, specializing in education tech systems and school growth. His expertise and passion make him an excellent choice for any event seeking an expert in education. Chandan's work in the education industry has been instrumental in driving growth and innovation in the field. He has a keen understanding of education technology systems and has helped numerous schools implement cutting-edge technology to enhance the learning experience for students. His deep knowledge of the industry combined with his passion for education make him a sought-after speaker and consultant for schools and organizations alike. Throughout his career, Chandan has worked tirelessly to promote school growth, both in terms of academic achievement and overall institutional development. He has a proven track record of success, having helped numerous institutions increase enrollment, improve student outcomes, and establish themselves as leaders in their respective communities. Chandan's commitment to education is unwavering, and his dedication to improving the lives of students and teachers is truly inspiring. Now, I request our Chairman Sir and Mr. Chandrakant Sir to honor Chandan Kumar Sir. Mr. R.S. Umachegi, sir, Secretary of the Childhood Montessori, is the person who always dreamed about educating students. He worked as a government school headmaster and got retired. In fact, he has visited parents' house to create awareness about education and to send their children to school. In his career, he has built a good infrastructure for students with the help of donors. Government of Karnataka recognized his work and awarded him with State Award in the year 2007. Thank you so much, sir. A big round of applause for Umachegi, sir. Now, would like to request Principal Madam to come and address the decorum.
To our dignitaries, Mr. Chandan Kumar sir, Mrs. Prajwala ma'am, and my dear father, Mr. R.S. Umachegi sir, and a very proud parents, my little ones who have been dancing for us together to make this annual day a success. Thank you so much, everyone.
I would like to request Prajwala Jyoti ma'am to come and talk a few words.
To the dignitaries of the dais and the principal, the teachers, and my dear parents, and the loving little ones. Namaste to everyone. And I feel immense pleasure and deep gratitude towards this day for inviting me to a part of bigger celebrations. I would not take much of your time. I'm sure all the parents, grandparents here are eagerly looking forward to your child celebrations, the child's performances. But a few words I must wanted to say on this bigger dais. First and foremost, I would love to congratulate the management, Ms. Renuka ma'am, the teachers, Chandrakant sir, and everyone, because having school is one set of things, but however, maintaining that, nurturing the young minds and bringing the learning outcomes is a set of another different thing. And with all the details I have been going through, I must say that the Childhood Montessori and the Skylark or Vidya Vidyalaya is, the outcomes are really outstanding, not only in Bangalore, but we have been looking at all over Karnataka and it's topping the charts. So a big round of applause to the Childhood Montessori and Vidya Vidyalaya. Everyone. Yes. And maybe a few learnings which I have learned over a period of time as an educator. I wanted to share those 3 learnings with you all. The first and foremost one is, I'm sure the world is changing at a faster pace. Technology is taking over most of the things. 10 years ago, it was a different thing, but now it's completely changed. So I'm sure our kids are getting attracted to a lot of technology, but at the same time, as parents, we need to understand whether that technology is becoming a boon or a bane in our child's life. So along with the fast changing world, I'm sure we as parents need to update ourselves, have some parental controls in our mobiles to monitor the child's, the screen time or watch time. And for the first one, the first learning would be, check, please go through whether this technology can be productive, can be a blessing in our child's life. That's the first learning. And second one is, I'm sure I wanted to start my second learning with a small story over here. You might have heard about Einstein, you might have heard about the story, but I wanted to reiterate. When Einstein was very young kid, he was not a good performer at school. He was a very slow learner, and that is the reason the school asked the mother to take away the admission of Einstein from the school. So one day Einstein gets up, wakes up from his bed, and he realizes that he need not go to school anymore. And that is where he asks his mother, Mom, why am I not going to school anymore? And the mother replies stating that, child, you have immense knowledge that your teachers feel that they are not able to give or justify certain kind of education to you. You are very, very knowledgeable than them. That is the reason they told me that you need not require school. See the performance, see the impact of the words and the positivity that we give across to the children. And the history, everyone knows how Einstein turned out to be, right? So similarly, the second learning is encourage, be really positive with the kid, have lots of patience, because at the end of the day, this is going to change the way that child behaves or the way that the child achieves in the future, right? And the last one being the last one, I'm sure there is a famous saying like, be like a Rome if you're visiting that country. Similarly, when we are handling this young kids, I'm sure we need to be a kid by ourselves, okay? So I'm sure every one of us have this little kid inside us, and please kindle the fire of this kid. Show that enthusiasm, show that happiness for small things, show that excitement, and understand, because this little kid within you will connect you with your kid in a really long way. With that note, I would like to say thank you to everyone.
I would like to call Shalini Rao and Nandini to continue this.
Now I would like to start with a prayer. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurme Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada.
Lord Ganesha, who provides joys and take away sadness and remove all our obstacles in our life, who spreads love everywhere as his blessing.
Please help and protect us during bad times. My salutation to Lord Ganesha. So, without further delay, we will start the program with welcome dance.
Keshwari, Nikita, Valalakshmi from 7th grade, Pavani, Udita from 8th grade, Shalini, Shabnam, Kiranmai, Shilpa and Deepika from 9th grade.
सर्वांगी सुंदर उदिशेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव लंबोदर तू विनायका तू लंबोडेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वर मोरया लंबोदर तू विनायका तू लंबोडेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वर मोरया वक्रतुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धि विनायका
for this devotional performance. We all are blessed.
True, ma'am, it is indeed devotional.
Next, I'd like to welcome playgroup kids. I know you all are waiting for your kids to be on the stage. It's time to have some masti time. This is the most awaited section to be witnessed within few minutes. We are going to watch and enjoy the awesome performances. Dear parents, are you ready? More. Get ready to be thrilled for exciting dances of our young, talented playgroup kids.
So I welcome Advika, Rajvika, Neha, Aishani, Rahi, Pavishna, Veda, Siddharth, Kanish, Duvan, Krishnaraj, Sanat, Satvik and Etvik. Dear parents, can I expect a huge round of applause for our little stars?
Welcome to the biggest party, Boss Party!
Nu lugetko, hey, nu shakulesko, hey, nu kapchipketko, hey, pasas tundu, nu lightlesko, hey, nu kalarmatko, hey, nu soundbetko, hey, pasas tundu. DJ Raya.
Clubullo na party ante shara mamule house party ante asalu kottaga undadu emule beach party ante asalu reach medaga undadule cruise party ante asalu mass medaga pandadule
Where's the party? Awesome, where's the party?
no hote ke kutti je no super party party
Where's the party? Awesome, where's the party?
no hote ke kutti je no super party
Nu botlanko, hey, nu gasanko, hey, nu sukesko, hey, pasa chindu, kiki chindu.
जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर काला काला चश्मा चचता तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला दिल चचता है तेरे जिन पे अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में
जैसे छत्तीस फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी मैनू काला चश्मा ओ मैनू काला चश्मा ए काला चश्मा ओ काला 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 काला
What a performance!
Next, we'll move on to the prize distribution of playgroup. Be it a jewel or a toy, not the prize gives the joy. But the striving to win the prize, winning does not always mean being the best. Winning means you are doing better than you have done before.
This is the time to appreciate our little kids' achievements with their brilliant young talents.
I would like to appreciate Mr. Chandan sir and class teacher Mrs. Veena could kindly grace the stage and do the honors of distributing the prizes in various competitions. Satvik, has won first prize in rhymes recitation. And I would also like to call Satvik parents. Next, Veda Reddy has won second prize in rhymes recitation.
Duvan has won second prize in color competition. Mahinder Prasad has won third prize in color competition.
Aishani has won first prize in rhymes recitation.
Kavishna has won third prize in coloring competition.
Rachi Hardik Mehta has won third prize in rhymes recitation.
Kanish has won first prize in self-introduction competition and also
Best Student of the Year 2023 and 24.
Krishna Raj Nandish has won second prize in self-introduction competition. Siddharth has won second prize in coloring competition. Sneha has won first prize in self-introduction competition and she is the best student of the year 2023-24. Atika Nair has won third prize in self-introduction competition.
It is tremendous how the world comes alive when music fills the air and feet begins to tap a rhythm that delights the heart. That's the beauty of dance that we are about to experience from Want One Kids with their fusion song. I am waiting for this. Get ready to watch super rocking fusion performance from our rock stars.
Let's welcome the Mount One Kids with a huge round of applause. Arohi, Ritesh, Chintana, Shivu Baswa, Yukta, Tashvika, Aditya, Ilyana Pragati, Samuel, Nihashwita, Sai Krishna, Akshat, Srishti, Duansh Reddy,
Nishav, Nachiket, Vedanshika and Darunathan.
Ramaya, Evastavaya, Ayaho, Ramaya, Evastavaya, Ramaya, Evastavaya, Ayaho, Ramaya, Evastavaya. Dance with me now, I can't break away. Inside you figure to shake away, shake away. Dil ki rakhta dance wale groove away. Nachu mein tu step mera wake away, wake away. Aaj sara kaam kar pe dal ke. Nagde nagde nachi jaye dal pe, dal pe. Disco dance groove sare bhool ke. Desi wale geet pe tu chul ke, chul ke. Bale kiya jaya jaya re, ab karta tha taya.
Mrs. Prajwala Jyoti and Mrs. Mary Shiny, class teacher of Mont 1, to do the prize distribution. Ritesh won third prize in rhymes recitation and third prize in photo frame. first prize in self-introduction and third prize in handwriting. And also she has been the best student of the year 2023 and 2024.
Won third prize in coloring competition.
Parents of Sivu Baswa are also requested to come on to the dais. Won second prize in fancy dress and won second prize in coloring. Rashmika won first prize in coloring. Samuel Ashray won second prize in photo frame. Ileana won first prize in photo frames. Nihan Swita won second prize in rhymes recitation and also the best student of the year 2023 and 2024. Sai Krishna won third prize in coloring competition. Akshat won second prize in self-introduction. Duansh Reddy won third prize in self-introduction.
Yes, ma'am, makes me feel happy and also feel carefree. Dance to the rhythm of your heart. You will feel happiness like never before. It does not matter whether you like fusion or salsa. What matters is your heart loves to dance.
Our upcoming dance form is known to be the most beautiful and the most expressive dance form ever, which involves dance steps which engrosses its audiences to the core. Put your hands together for our little ones, Mont 1 kids. Shaurya Kishore, Nunshubi, Gracian, Ahan, Ganav, Mauryan, Snehit Kumar, Nikit, Shivang, Arshit.
ODM heat, EDM లో beat, radium లో light, పాడిలో ఇటు అటు. ODM heat, EDM లో beat, radium లో light, పాడిలో ఇటు అటు.
రాజమండ్రి రాగమంజరి మాయమ్మ పేరు తలవనోళ్ళు లేరు మేస్తిరి కళాకారుల ఫ్యామిలీ మరి నే గజ్జ కడితే నిద్రపోదు నిండు రాత్రి
With this prizeful saying, let us start our prize distribution of our Mont 1 kids.
Shaurya Kishore won 3rd prize in rhyme recitation and won 2nd prize in photo frame.
Nunshubi won 2nd prize in self-introduction and 2nd prize in handwriting.
Nation won 1st prize in rhyme recitation and also won the best student of the year 2023-24.
Ahan won 2nd prize in rhymes recitation.
Pranav has won 3rd prize in self-introduction and 3rd prize in photo frame.
Susanna won 3rd prize in coloring.
Snehit Kumar won 2nd prize in coloring. Nikit won 1st prize in self-introduction and 2nd prize in photo frame. Arshit won 1st prize in coloring. Shivang won 1st prize in photo frame.
Life is a lucky offer given by God. It's full of Maya Bazaar.
Ups and downs are common in life, but we all are working hard for some achievements in life. Let's find a solution without any tension. May all our desire fulfill our life to be happy and joy. This song is a tribute to Dr. Punit Rajkumar.
So now let's welcome our Mont 2 kids on the stage. Amulya, Amera, Bhavishit, Kedan, Chidanvi, Jashvita, Vikrant, Kushi Pavan, Lyra, Lohit, Melina Jessica,
Nakshadip Gowda, Ompreet,
Anisha, Rafael Richard, Renu Kumar, Riva Goyal, and Sudiksha.
This song is dedicated to all depressed people.
We are going to distribute prize for Mount 2 kids. So parents kindly join with your kids. Receive the prize.
Amulya has won first prize in fancy dress competition. Umaira has won first prize in drawing. Aiden has won first prize in handwriting. Bhavishita has won third prize in drawing. Chidanvi has won second prize in show and tell activity, second prize in handwriting, second prize in self-introduction, and she is the best student of the year. Hemashri has won third prize in drawing, second prize in handwriting. Jashvita has won first prize in fancy dress competition, third prize in self-introduction, and she is the best student of the year. Vikrant has won third prize in show and tell activity.
Kushi won third prize in show and tell activity. Lyra won third prize in self-introduction and first prize in handwriting. Loic won second prize in rhymes recitation. Jessica Melina won second prize in show and tell activity and third prize in rhymes recitation. Nakshadeep won first prize in drawing. Hompreet won in second prize in rhymes recitation.
Prisha has won second prize in fancy dress competition. Purvit has won first prize in self-introduction, first prize in show and tell activity, third prize in handwriting, and third prize in fancy dress competition. He is the best student of the year. Richard has won first prize in drawing and third prize in fancy dress competition. Renukumar has won second prize in self-introduction and first prize in rhymes recitation. Riva Goyal has won first prize in rhymes recitation. Sudiksha has won first prize in self-introduction, second prize in fancy dress competition, first prize in show and tell activity, and she is the best student.
Graduation Day holds immense significance in the lives of our students.
Today we have gathered here to celebrate the achievements and success of our bright young minds. We have worked tirelessly to reach these significant milestones in their academics.
Advika, Kaun, Sudiksha, Utkarsh, Tanishka, Akwil, Havish, Hitashri, Shruti, and Ryan.
Samrene ke shaam se kya karne waade
मोहब्बत करनी है, हमने मोहब्बत की है, इस दिल के अलावा किसी से भी ना हमने इजाजत ली है। हुनर है ये भी इश्क का, किसी किसी को आता है, जान लुटा के दुश्मन की हमने हिफाजत की है। बात करते हैं हजारों, है तजुर्बा हमें यारों, बात करते हैं हजारों, है तजुर्बा हमें यारों। ऐसी है बांध लूं मुझ पे वो दिल से दुआ बरसाए, तुम्हें जो पठान मेरी जान महफिल ही लुट जाए, दे दे जो जुबान मेरी जान उस पे मर मिट जाए।
3 kids are prepared for some special act for all the teachers and parents.
I know, ma'am, and it's a surprise for all of us. Let's see how our kids share their feelings in the form of performance.
It is my great honor to introduce to you today our graduating class. As they turn the page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2 little words, 2 little words, 2 little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation is here. Our 2 little words to our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You taught us to read and write. You taught us to learn. You told us it'd be alright and how to take our turn. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You helped us to tie our shoes, learn shapes and colors too. There's so many things you do. We just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done.
Advika prize in speech competition and first prize in drawing competition.
Anya won second prize in Translators competition and third prize in speech competition. And Best Student of the Year 2023 2024.
Aishman, third prize in fancy dress competition, first prize in show and tell competition. Akul won third prize in handwriting competition, third prize in show and tell competition. Charvi first prize in speech competition, first prize in rhymes recitation. Abish first prize in handwriting competition. Hitashri third prize in fancy dress competition. Con first prize in drawing competition.
Punarvi, first prize in fancy dress competition and best student of the year 2023 and 2024.
Ryan second prize in show and tell competition. Shruti second prize in handwriting competition.
Sudiksha second prize in drawing competition and third prize in rhyme recitation.
Tanishka second prize in rhymes recitation. Utkarsh third prize in drawing competition.
I stand here today as a proud and grateful principal to express my heartfelt thanks to all those who have made this event a grand success. I would like to thank our school management who have always been supportive of initiative and encouraged us to strive for excellence. My gratitude to our teachers who have been nurturing our kids' talents and dance teacher also. Finally, I would like to thank each and every one of you young parents and our tiny ones who have practiced for many hours to perform in front of us. Your contribution have not gone unnoticed. Thank you so much.
Please, vote of thanks to the principal. On behalf of all the teachers and non-teaching staff, I would like to take the privilege to express our vote of thanks to the principal of our school, Mrs. Renuka Shri. You do an incredible job of listening to any concerns of the staff and always keep us excited about improving our school. We also thank you for setting such a welcoming and positive tone in school campus and being down to earth. Thank you, ma'am.